Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WireGuard configs for low latency VPS VPN easy tutorial. To download WireGuard configs for a low latency VPS VPN, start by accessing your VPS provider's dashboard. Log in using your credentials for secure authentication. Locate the section labeled Networking or VPN within the dashboard. Choose the option for WireGuard installation or configuration. Follow the prompts to create a new WireGuard configuration file. You may need to specify details such as region or server location to optimize for low latency. Once the configuration is generated, look for the download link or button. Click on the download link to save the WireGuard config file to your local machine. Open the downloaded config file with a text editor to review its contents. Ensure all necessary keys and endpoints are correctly listed for your server. If any modifications are needed, do so carefully while following the WireGuard format. Next, install the WireGuard application on your device if you haven't already. You can find the application on the official WireGuard website for your operating system. After installation, open the WireGuard application and look for an option to import existing configurations. Select the option to import, then locate the config file you downloaded. Once imported, you should see your new VPN connection listed in the WireGuard application. Before connecting, double-check all settings to confirm they are accurate. Now, click the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. You should see a notification confirming that you are connected to the VPN. Test your connection to ensure it is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, revisit the config file for errors or consult your VPS provider's support documentation. Now you are ready to enjoy a secure and low-latency VPN connection using WireGuard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.